Hi friends, hi Sudoku friends. In today's newspaper on a Wednesday, yes, Wednesday, November the 11th, 2020, we have here three regular Sudokus, a binary, a medium, and a killer Sudoku. Yes, three regular Sudokus. And I will start first with the binary. And this one will be a number 1869. And before I start, I always count what kind of binary is this one. Let me count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's a 10 by 10 binary. That means in a row or in a column there are always five O's and 5 ones. All right, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. A double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, and there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Let me see. And then it stopped. No, between two ones comes an O. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O. So the rest are ones. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Between two O's comes an 1. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here and O, there no. Yeah. And now 1, 2, 3, 4. And I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes, there is an 1 here or an O. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the rest are O's. Alright. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here and O, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two O's comes an 1. Double 1, here and O, there no. Between two O's comes an 1. Then. Do I need to compare? That's the question. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. If I place number 5 here, the fifth O, then we have 3 ones in a row. Not allowed. One of the rules, so this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Still 4. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. If I place number 5 here, the fifth one, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed. One of the rules. So this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. Yeah. 2, 3, 4. And this also. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones. If I place number 5th here, the 5th one, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed. One of the rules. So this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Yes. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's. If I place a number 5th, the 5th one here, then we have 4 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed. One of the rules, so this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1, double 1, here an O, there an O, double O, here 1, there 1. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here an O, there an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here an O, there an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here an O, there an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow! And now we have here 4 O's. Here also 4 O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So I need to compare, I think. I need to compare. Otherwise we have identical columns or rows. O1, do we have here O1? Double O. Okay, so I cannot compare with the columns, so I need to compare with the rows. Double O, 1, 1, O, O, 1. No. No. 101. 101. 101. 101. Do we have a 101 here? What's happening now? Do we have a 10 here? 10. 10. 10. 10. Wow! I cannot, I need to choose. Strange. Double O. Stupid. Double O. Here 1, there 1. Yes, between 2 1s comes an O. Double O. Here 1, there 1. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, finish in 9 minutes. Wow. I overlooked these double numbers, digits. Alright, I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a few seconds with the second regular Sudoku. It will be a Sudoku Medium. Bye bye for now.